transfiguration as a punishment. Surely Dumbledore told you that.
Might have mentioned it.
You won't do well to remember it. Wait!
You. Come with me.
Hey, baby, over here. Hey. Come here. Come here, little psycho. No, not my shoe, not my shoe. Don't eat it.
That's full blast. Let me keep an eye on my enemies.
Do something cute. Oh.
Wouldn't even bother telling you what's in there. Wouldn't believe it if I did. Now, what are you going to do about your dragon? Oh. Well, you know, I just thought I'd... Sit. Listen to me, Potter. Your pal Diggory. By your age, he can turn a whistle to a watch at the same time. Miss Delacour is as much a fairy princess as I am.